Welcome back to your Caribou Data Science channel, Sweden. Today is Sunday, July 11th, 2021 here in the U.S. Before we get started, I have a favor to ask as always. First of all, of course, if you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button. If you have subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Also, if you find this video helpful, be sure click on that share button. Share the video on Facebook and Twitter. What's that you say? You don't have Facebook and Twitter? Not a problem. Click on the share button, copy and paste the link into an email or text message, and share the good news uh, with your friends and family in Sweden today. And of course, if you haven't done so already, click the subscribe button and click that like button, okay? So let's take a look at the vaccine rollout report first. I actually think, if I recall properly, Sweden's got a rather late start on the vaccine. Okay, let's take a look here. Yeah, so what you can see here is currently Sweden has administered 9.08 million doses, and approximately 5.5 million people have received one vaccination, and 3.5 million have received the full vaccination. 54.4% of your people have received one dose, but only 35% have received the full dosage. One source I read said this number here has to reach 50% or higher before you start seeing the impact of COVID-19 vaccines. Okay, so let's move on now to your daily report. Okay, as a reminder here, as always, Sweden only records COVID-19 cases and deaths Tuesday to Friday, which of course means that it means that the Tuesday numbers, it means that Saturday, Sunday, and Monday numbers are added on to Tuesday's numbers. And that's what these big spikes are here for, which completely throws off the daily numbers. It basically buries any increases or decreases in the actual daily numbers. So what we do, we use what's called a LOES function, LOESS, or LOES, uh, to get to the underlying trend. And as always, the trend is our friend. So in the case of Sweden, we're not so much concerned with daily numbers as we are with this line right here, the trending decline. Uh, what we see here is this downward trend in cases. Okay, slight hiccup here. You notice all these spikes here. Well, the three spikes there are Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. This is Tuesday. So the actual number is closer down and somewhere around here. So this number here doesn't fit. That doesn't really. It could be a little steeper up to here, right? All right, but this is okay. You can see that you're continuing to see a downward trend in cases. This is a 28-day moving average. Again, the downward trend in cases. This is daily deaths. You can see there again, there is this downward trend from here all the way down to here, and from here down to here, down to there. So the trend is our friend, and the trend for case of death is continuing downward, as you can see on a 20-day moving average right here. Here's the weekly cases. You can see this nice declining pattern in weekly cases overall, and of course the declining pattern in weekly deaths. You can see that the previous 2 months numbers were lower than these 2 months here. A nice declining pattern in deaths for the previous 4 months. So that does conclude your report today, Sweden, for today. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hey, how many Swedish people do? Hey, thanks to your 14 people who watched this video on Friday. Thank you so much for those views. Okay, but now I have my favorite ask. That's that you click on your share button, Share this video on your Facebook, on your Twitter account. And also don't forget to, you can also cut and paste the link to this video into a email or text message and share the good news. Share the good news that the COVID-19 numbers in Sweden are continuing to decline. Share it with your friends, your family today, okay? Thanks so much, Sweden. We'll catch you tomorrow, the new and improved report.